Commission Blueprint 2.0 review. Commission Blueprint 2.0 review. Hello guys, this is Glenn with Awesome Life Creation, and today we're going to be talking about Commission Blueprint 2.0 by my friend Richie Scott. So what is it all about? We're going to be talking about what is Commission Blueprint 2.0, who is it for, what is inside Commission Blueprint 2.0, what's the price and what are the upsells of Commission Blueprint 2.0, and of course, my awesome bonuses. I will open my vault again for you guys, and you will be given loads of valuable bonuses when you buy with this link, when you click on one of these red buttons or even this yellow button. All the same, you will be getting high value bonuses within this system. Now, let's kick off. So why is Blueprint Commission Blueprint 2.0 created? Actually, it's for complete newbie affiliate marketers. So when you never made a dime online, this is definitely something for you. But first of all, let me show you this little short video that will cover what it's all about. So let me hit the play button and sit back, relax, grab a bag of chips, and here we go. So first of all, guys, let me warn you, this bonus page will be taken down at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April the 30th. I hope from the bottom of my heart that then we will be out of our lockdown here in Belgium, because you may or may not know, but we have been in lockdown since March the 13th. So we have been in lockdown for more than 1 month, and yeah, it's starting to weigh. Okay, so who is Commission Blueprint 2.0 for? When you never made a dime online, but you definitely see the Corona crisis as a wake-up call, then this is your bailout from the 9-to-5 rat race and job uncertainty. A lot of layoffs will follow, as you know, foreclosures, because this is not only a health crisis, but the collateral damage with regard to the economy is going to be huge, guys. So when you're looking for real foolproof certainty, start making money online. Whether if it's with this course or another one, start to learn how to make money online. Never be dependent from exterior factors again in your entire life, okay? So I would definitely recommend this course. There are other very high quality courses as well, but bottom line is you have to learn how to make money online. This is really vital, okay? Now, when you want to start generating passive income and use these challenging times to convert yourself into a successful affiliate marketer, then this is for you. You can use this when you want to earn a few extra $100 a week with only 1 hour of work a day. But if you really want to go for it and you want to scale this up, very rapidly with the rinse and repeat system. Depending on how much time you want to invest, you will really be able to scale this up. When you work, this system will work. I'm never going to give you a guarantee when you lay in your bed or you sit on your fat ass. It's not going to work. You have to work the system, and then the system will work. Okay. What's inside the commission blueprint 2.0? The complete system to making money quickly and easily with affiliate marketing, step by step. Okay. It's a video course, guys. So you don't have to read bunches of text. Just sit back, relax, watch video by video at your own pace, and you will get there. Winning starts with beginning, okay? How to get started and build a profitable affiliate business by selling other people's products. That's the huge advantage of affiliate marketing, guys. You can sell digital products owned and designed by other people. So you don't have to do any upfront investments, which is a huge advantage compared to, for instance, drop shipping, which is also an online business. But affiliate marketing is by far the lowest risk of online business you can start with, okay? You will also see inside of this system the time-tested formula used by successful marketers to build a massive affiliate business empire within months. So you can scale this up really quickly within months. Maybe you're still in lockdown. I hope it's not the case for you, but it could take some more months. Why not use this to your advantage and convert yourself into a high earning affiliate? And you can fire that asshole boss of yours. You can stop commuting every day, losing buckets of time. Time you could be spending with loved ones, you could be spending with friends, having fun on the beach. Okay, you get the picture. Okay. Now, how to identify hot in-demand products that will convert like crazy while making you a ton of money at the same time. This is another one you will learn. The fastest and simplest way to sell anything online. This is a secret that most marketeers don't want you to know. Then the secret ingredients you need to add in your affiliate site to ensure you are getting targeted buyers to your offers. So some ninja hacks as well. How to build up a profitable mailing list that will keep buying whatever you promote to them, because people always buy from people they know, like, and trust. So within time, they will get to know, like, and trust you guys. So this mailing list that you will be building by promoting all these kind of offers, your mailing list is your highest asset. Okay, it's gold, pure gold. Okay. Now, you will also have this step-by-step video walkthrough of how to set up your email money-making campaigns in a snap. How to make sales every day and take your affiliate business to the next level while building a full-time income. And you will have a real-life demonstration on how to set up a profitable campaign the right way, and so much more. So click here to secure your copy and mega bonus bundle. Now, what's the price and what are the upsells of Commission Blueprint 2.0? Let's break down the funnel. So first of all, the front end is Commission Blueprint 2.0. It's only 37 bucks. Now, I don't know about you, but when I'm doing a night on the town, I spent more than 37 bucks. Shots, beers, French fries, you know what? You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this complete system with 20 video modules will show you how to making money quickly and easily with affiliate marketing, step by step, from how to start and build a profitable affiliate business to how to make sales every day and take your affiliate business to the next level while building up a full-time income. Upsell number one. This is Commission Blueprint 2.0 Advanced. $47 extra. So now we're almost reaching a night on the town spent, all half a night on the town spent. So this advanced package is like having an expert sitting down with your customers, with you, sorry. So this is advanced package is like you have an expert sitting next to you and showing you exactly how it's done. This 18-part advanced video series will show about instant cash methods, the various methods of generating traffic to the offers, and many more. This comes with a downsell of $37. So I don't know what this is, but a downsell, when you want to leave the page after having bought the front end and you stay on the page too long, there will be a pop-up and they will offer it for $37 instead of 47. The initial 47 will be replaced by 37, okay? Upsell number 2, Commission Blueprint 2.0 done for you. Yeah, guys, we live in a done for you society. So you can start straight away with these done for you materials and you can speed up your journey as a successful affiliate marketer. This is a huge set of high converting email series, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and articles that can be used by you to start promoting it immediately without wasting any more time, okay? And this comes also with a downsell of $47. So when you have already bought the front end, upsell number 1, and you stay on too long, there's gonna be a pop-up presenting you this final upsell for $47 instead of $67. But don't tell them I told you, okay? This is our little secret. Now, congratulations, guys. You made it to my bonus fold. Bonus number 1 for $27.95 of value. So this is live streaming video profits. So grow your profits fast with live video. Drive more traffic and higher conversions with live streaming video. Uncover which live platform will work best for you so you don't have to waste your time on ineffective methods. Learn how to make use of the built-in traffic available at some of the world's largest websites. Find out how you can use live video to replace webinars and several other types of content too. Discover the secrets to using live video to drive more traffic and get higher conversions than ever before. Just click this button and you're on the go. Bonus number 2 with a value of $147. This is one of my personal favorites. It's a bonus library. As you will learn, I'm going to spill some beans. I'm going to tell you something of what's inside. One of the main tactics all great affiliates use is they give special bonuses with the offer, with the initial offer. So you will be given a bonus library. You get a Surefire Wealth Silver Level Pass with hundreds of products to download and offer as bonuses in your promotion. So when you will be putting things into action and you will have to give away bonuses, this will come in very handy, guys, because you will have your own bonus library where you can pick the bonuses you think are suitable or most suitable to give away in combination with the offers you are offering, okay? So this is actually one of my favorite bonuses, and that's why I'm giving it away, because I know it has a huge value, and I'm always of the conviction that when you give something of high value, people will come back to you and it will reciprocate. So this is a very high value bonus. Now, bonus number 3 29.95 of value. It's a link supercharger software. It's the powerful solution to generate more traffic. Traffic is what you want, guys, to brand your domains and maximize your commissions. You're nothing with a nice sales page or whatsoever when you don't have traffic. No one sees it. So this will definitely help you scale up your business. And bonus number 4 is a software in a box. So what do I mean by that? You can start your business. You have the rights to read the resale rights for this software. This software already sold over 15,000 copies. So this is a high converting product where you get the rights to resell them. So all sales pages are already included. It's done for you. With the push of a button, you can start selling this product. You have the videos, the graphics, and you get to keep 100% of the income. Okay. Bonus number 5 with a value of 197. High profit blog secrets. Learn the secrets the pros use to build high profit blogs every time and make some real money. Okay, click here to get it. When you click one of all these, click here to secure your copy and mega bonus bundles. Either one of them will direct you to the product itself and all the awesome bonuses I just showed to you. Okay, guys? So thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. Thanks for watching my Commission Blueprint 2.0 review. Please click on the link below to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment below what your #1 reason is you would like to start an online business yourself. Okay, thanks for watching my Commission Blueprint 2.0 review. Have a nice one. See you soon, and I miss you already. Bye bye.